So I'm not surprised Comet is sitting in the corner. So I'm going to go in. We can help him feel a little more comfortable here. Yes, right away he's on my feet, yes. Okay. Well, there we go, he's checking it out. Get my toes out of there for you guys. The other puppies are like, yeah, that's cool. Okay. There we go. He's checking it out. Good boy, Comet. Let me sit down here. Good boy, Comet. You checked it out. It's Cyrus. So Cyrus is not afraid of it at all. Good boy. Here, what's that, baby? It's Comet. There goes the Comet's there checking it out. Good boy. Yes, good boy. You checked that out. Good boy, Comet. Cyrus is like, this is cool. No, Lyra, you can't play with the puppies right now. Oh, look at Lyra. You got your head through the hole. She's silly. She wants to play with them. Oh, good boy, Comet. Good boy. Okay, make it go again. What's this, big man? What's that, big man? What's that? Oh, good, good. Yeah, so he's not doing too bad. I'm glad. Huh? Comet. Comet. Okay, make it go again. Oh, look at Comet go. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy, huh? Good boy. So Comet's not near as afraid of that as I thought he'd be. He's doing good. Good boy. Not the best video, but you get the idea of what's going on here. Lots of sound, movement, and Comet is hanging out. So that's good. Pandora is over here chewing on my leg, so let's bring her over. There's Pandora. Right, let's make it go again. There we go. Pandora, you're a little nervous of it? That's okay. That's okay. It's brand new. It's brand new. She'll get used to it. Pandora's not sure. Yes, sweet girl. Yes, sweet girl. So, Comet's getting Lyra. So Lyra is the sweetest thing, and she really helps to socialize these puppies very well. She doesn't care what they do to her. She just wants to play. Sweet girl. Okay. There. Comet. The Comet. Comet. You leave her alone. Go play with the toys. He does not want to. He wants to play with Lyra. So if he's introduced to dogs properly, he looks like he's going to be really into wanting to play with other dogs. He really likes the other dogs here. Cyrus too now. Okay, you guys are supposed to be playing with this toy over here. Okay, we're going to shut this off for a minute.